Welcome to or back to my channel. We are going to be doing another part. This is part 2 of going through my entire perfume collection. We are cleaning, we are decluttering, we are organizing. Last video I did the whole middle shelf, which was like mainly my most used stuff that like isn't new from Bath & Body Works and a little Victoria's Secret. Now we are going to go into more of the stuff I don't use as much, but mainly because of placement, which is exactly why we are doing this video and rotating everything out. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you like and subscribe because I post 1 to 2 times every single week, and let's get right into it. So this is what we did in the last video. I went through all of these and I have already been using them and I love it. I also cleaned and dusted everything because even though I dust it once every like few weeks, it accumulates so much dust and hair from my dogs and everything else. And I also wiped down like every individual product as well, which we are also going to have to do for the other shelves. But today I think we're going to get through this bottom one and then possibly also the top. I also, to be honest, don't even know half of what is in here because it's just been like so full. So I'm really happy that we are doing this video so that I can kind of go through everything. Hopefully I have you guys at a good angle, but we are going to be going through everything. It's going to be much easier if I have both hands. So for now, we are going to be filming this way until I at least get some of this cleared out. First, we have this Raspberry Holiday Pie Bar scent. I am probably going to use this next in my shower routine. This brand is sold at Target and they actually sent me a bunch of stuff. I haven't tried this hair mask yet though. It smells really good, so we are going to try this. I'm going to put this in the shower. This is where I store a lot of my body wash. We have Cereal Milk Soft Serve from Bath & Body Works, Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath & Body Works as well. I love that scent. I have some Philosophy scents that I got for Christmas. We have Morning Maple and Sugared Crust. These both smell so good. I'm super excited to try these. Some perfumes randomly thrown in, like this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. I really like this perfume. I'm going to put this towards the front of my perfumes, and if I still don't use it, I will be decluttering this one. Clean Classic Rain, and I love this brand so much. I love their scents. This one smells really fresh and clean. This is honestly a perfect like springtime scent, so this is also going to be put in the front of my collection. A bunch of random stuff mixed in too. So like we have these 2 vacation perfume mists, which I got last year in the summertime, and they smell so good, you guys. It's like coconut milk and water, bergamot, banana, pineapple, pool water, sea salt, and then this other one is like amber, cedar wood, vanilla beans. So yeah, like really good. I'm going to put these towards the middle front of my perfume collection because these are like more summer scents, so I feel like going from winter to spring to summer I will start using them a little more. I didn't even use these this winter, which typically I do, so I'm going to put the ones that I feel like aren't super Christmassy towards the front. I just wiped these down. These are some of the body washes that I have to use up that I will just put straight into my bathroom. Warm Vanilla Sugar, Raspberry Holiday Pie Bar, Morning Maple, Cereal Milk, Sugared Crust, Snowflakes and Cashmere, Emily in Paris, Champagne in Paris, Sweet Pea, Pumpkin Swirl Cake, Moonlight Path, and Vampire Blood. Just wiped all of these down, and I could already see some more over here that I have to go through, like this one, Peppermint Bark Truffle. This is a body wash. This I should really use up before winter, or else I'll just put it away and use it next winter. And then I can see this one here, Wicked Vanilla Woods Fall, so I'm going to dust this off and store it away. Random minis and stuff from like Victoria's Secret, Mediterranean Mirage. This smells so good. I need to wipe this off and put this towards the front. And yeah, we're just gonna go through all of this. So this is what it is looking like right now. We cleared out quite a bit. This is another perfume that I want to use more. This was my wedding perfume. I do have another bottle of it put away that I used on my wedding day, but I really want to start using it more since I did buy myself one and then they sent me one. The one they sent me is what I used on my wedding day, but I'm not going to use this one if it's still sitting in the box. So I'm just going to take it out of the box and start using it more because I love that scent. And then these are just some body creams that I went through and cleaned off. These are some lotions and body creams that I'm unfortunately going to have to get rid of. I haven't even had them for too long. It's just the problem with them is they're like very discolored and the consistency is really messed up. So yeah, declutter this one. I don't know if it's because it's older or what, but I just really do not like the smell. And then this one I found, I'm going to put this towards the front to start using more. The notes are watermelon, plum, cherry blossom freesia, and sandalwood. This one I haven't even used, so I'm going to put that towards the front so I can use it. And I do think I have the matching mist as well. More body washes. These two I'm going to put away as well. This one I'll definitely be using soon. This one for next fall. And we still have all of this to go. I can see right here we have a perfume. This I got at Marshall's for $17. It smells so good, like gardenia. This I'm going to wipe off and put towards the front. Also getting rid of these two too, and I'm really sad because I didn't even use them that much, as you can tell, and I feel like it is so wasteful. So I really did learn my lesson with buying these body creams. Like, you can really only use so much, and I feel like maybe the body lotions I'd be better off with, because I feel like you use them up a lot faster, but these really don't last all that long before I feel like they get discolored and don't smell good and change in consistency. These I bought like a while ago. I haven't really bought many scents other than like these two. So yeah, these are going to be decluttered in my collection. I actually have quite a lot of Victoria's Secret pink perfumes, like Sugarberry. I have Basic Vanilla, the Bare Vanilla Luxe, Liquid Coconut, which is one of my favorites. And then I have the Vanilla and Dreamy, Brilliant, Cherry Blossom, Chai Latte. I have Aquatic Allure. So yeah, I'm just going to be going through these now and see if there's anything that smells kind of weird and see if I want to get rid of any. I don't want to get rid of this one in any way, but it literally smells like nothing but alcohol now, so I definitely have to get rid of it. And then I do also feel like, where did it go? This Basic Vanilla one is like very on the fence, and the opening only smells alcohol, but then it dries down and it smells really good. So I'm gonna hold on to this probably for like one more year. I have a ton of minis too. This Hot Cocoa and Cream is going. It doesn't smell like anything anymore. I do still have like the little Sweethearts one. I remember this smells like grape. I have this First Love from Victoria's Secret. Like, I'm definitely keeping those. These can go. They're just lab samples from Finery from when they came out with their men's line, but my husband already has all of their colognes, so we don't need these. They are also quite old too, so I know they won't smell as much. And then these are super, super old, so I'm going to toss these. These can all go. I have the full sizes of all of them other than the Happy Birthday, but they're just really, really old, and I've definitely used them, so these can go. So this is everything that was on that bottom shelf. So much more than I expected. This is everything that I'm keeping, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it back on the shelf. We're just shoving everything back now, so I'm going to speed run through all of the scents that I'm putting back. Okay, so this is the current lineup, which is looking so good. We have Brightest Bloom, the Forever Sweet, Hearts and Candy, Sweetest Song, Emily in Paris, Paris Amour, Cotton Candy, Fleur Elixir, Spring Poppies, and Mediterranean Mirage. So we have body creams back there, and then we have Victoria's Secret Mist, Bath and Body Works Mist, and then we have minis, and then we are going to fill in this spot with all of the body washes. Okay, so I ended up having some space over here, so I put all of the EOS body mist over here, and then some of these little like Victoria's Secret pink mists. This is what the bottom shelf now looks like, and I still have a few of these little mists that I think I'm just going to try to squish up here so that I actually use them. And that is it. But this is what the shelf looks like fully done. I'm so proud of myself. That was a lot more than I thought, similar to the first video. So again, I will go over what we kind of have going on here. So with the EOS body mist in the front, we have coconut water, pink champagne. We have some body washes like Raspberry Holiday Pie Bar, Brightest Bloom. We have some little Victoria's Secret pink mist like Tropic Vanilla, and also Sunset Sorbet. We have some mini Bath and Body Works like the Forever Sweet, and then we have some Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works mists like Hearts and Candy, Sweetest Song, Paris Amour, Cotton Candy, Fleur Elixir, Spring Poppies, and Mediterranean Mirage. We have our body creams back there and a couple of lotions, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I'm so glad that we went through that. I still have a little more to put away, basically just like the perfumes that I took out, which wasn't even that many. And then, of course, the trash and anything to give away. But yeah, so that is everything. I'm going to end up having to do another part to go through all of the rest because that was a lot and that took me a long time. So yeah, we are done with the first 2 shelves. We have 1 more shelf and 2 baskets to go, and then also everything on my vanity. If you guys enjoy this video, again, make sure you like and subscribe because I do post every single week. And yeah, bye guys.